Imagine holding a smartphone that doesn't just offer minor updates, but completely changes how you interact with technology. That is the exact promise of the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max. For months, the tech community has been flooded with intense rumors and conflicting leaks about this next-generation flagship. While some early reports hinted at a radical ground-up redesign, others suggested that Apple might be making some unexpected structural compromises. However, when you look past the internet rumors and look at the actual supply chain data, a clear picture emerges. This device is shaping up to be one of the most significant smartphone releases in recent history. The first major transformation is visible the moment you look at the front of the device. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is set to offer its most dramatic visual refresh in years. According to leaked structural blueprints, the display will feature a drastically smaller dynamic island, shrinking by roughly 35%. Engineers are accomplishing this by placing a significant portion of the internal Face ID sensors directly underneath the active screen pixels. When you pair this seamless look with a rumored liquid glass display coating, the user interface will look incredibly futuristic. This means you get a massive increase in usable screen space, fewer visual interruptions, and a highly premium aesthetic that instantly makes previous models look outdated. Moving to the back of the device, you will find a design choice that is already sparking a lot of debate. Industry leaks indicate a major material shift, with production lines moving away from titanium to utilize a highly advanced, specialized aluminum alloy body. To ensure the device still retains its ultra-premium status, a brand new color lineup is being introduced to turn heads. The flagship option is a deeply sophisticated dark cherry finish, which will launch alongside refreshed, deep tones of classic black and a light pastel blue. If these leaked physical mock-ups from industry suppliers are correct, the actual look and feel of the phone will break completely away from traditional expectations. However, the main reason consumers will rush to purchase this phone isn't just the updated exterior. The true centerpiece of this release is a massive leap forward in mobile optics. Reports indicate that a significantly larger, custom-engineered camera sensor is being paired with a physical mechanical variable aperture lens. This is a massive hardware advancement typically found only on professional DSLR cameras. Instead of relying on software algorithms and digital filters to fake a blurred background, the internal lens elements will physically move to control the exact amount of light entering the camera sensor. This mechanical system completely changes the game for mobile photography and video. It provides a beautifully soft, authentic background blur, vastly sharper images in low-light environments, and unmatched video clarity. For modern content creators worldwide, this is a massive breakthrough. The upgraded system will allow you to capture incredibly smooth, cinematic footage even under direct, harsh sunlight, bringing mobile imagery closer than ever to dedicated studio cameras. The only notable trade-off for this massive sensor housing is a much thicker camera module and increased mass. In fact, early weight estimations suggest this model could easily become the heaviest smartphone ever shipped in this lineup. Fortunately, the internal architecture more than compensates for the added weight. The phone is engineered to deliver an absolute powerhouse performance. It will debut a highly anticipated next-generation processor built on a groundbreaking 2-nanometer manufacturing process. This ultra-dense architecture enables lightning-fast computing speeds while drastically reducing power consumption. Furthermore, because the chassis is slightly thicker, there is extra internal space to house a much larger battery cell alongside a massive 12 gigabytes of system memory. This combination of an ultra-efficient 2-nanometer processor and a larger battery means the device can easily achieve a true 2-day battery life under standard everyday usage. This is an incredible achievement for a device tasked with running a heavy suite of advanced, on-device artificial intelligence features simultaneously. Wireless connectivity is also receiving a major boost from a brand new, proprietary internal modem. This custom chip promises vastly improved signal retention, faster data transfer rates, and optimized power consumption when switching between cellular networks. Of course, a few of these changes might stir up some mixed reactions globally. The company is planning a wider rollout of its digital-only connectivity strategy. This means that the physical SIM card tray will likely be completely removed in several more international regions outside of the domestic market, forcing a complete shift toward digital activation. In terms of the official release timeline, the new generation is widely expected to be officially unveiled at the traditional autumn keynote event in September 2026. As expected, these bleeding-edge hardware features will require a premium investment. Financial analysts estimate that the base model will likely launch at approximately $1,299. For users who need maximum storage capacity to hold large amounts of high-resolution video, the top-tier configurations could easily reach up to $1,800. When looking at the overall package, this device represents a bold new direction. It sacrifices a lightweight feel to provide absolute, uncompromising power. The addition of a true mechanical camera lens is a massive win for visual creators, and a genuine 2-day battery life driven by 2nm technology sets an entirely new industry standard. Even with the heavier footprint and the removal of the physical SIM tray, the pure technological innovation present here makes it an incredibly compelling upgrade. It is a powerful glimpse into the future of mobile hardware. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.